Hello everyone, my name is John Welch. I'm going to give you a real quick introduction to our electronic document viewer. There's two primary functions in the EDV. It's the user security and the document retrieval. My objective today is just to give you a brief introduction to these functions. I invite you to contact us and set up a demo to get more detail that might be specific to your client or your needs. I would like to point out we have an Active Directory interface, easy to add and remove users that are given rights within your Active Directory to access the EDV site. You have access points within the application as well. You can give people full admin, you can give them payroll checks or not payroll checks. One thing I'd like to point out is that this is customizable. So if you've scanned in deals, for example, we can make that an access point and allow people in or out of the deals folder. I also want to point out there's a restricted list. So you can provide access to someone to have schedules and journals in accounting except for some sensitive journals or schedules. In this case, I have payroll and employee draws. As you can see, the user security is extremely flexible, and I think you'll find our document retrieval is as flexible as well. The documents retrieval is focused primarily again on doc types, and part of the process when you go with EDV is we bring in all of your templates. So for example, I'm going to show you what a template would typically look like for service invoices. Let me pull one up real quickly. This, for example, would be your invoice. Your logo would go here, your company name, your address, and wherever your name would appear throughout the repair order, the part ticket, whatever document we've set up for you, you would have complete customized documents. Now that I've cleared that, I would like to take this opportunity to point out one important factor related to our schedules. Unlike EDM, with our schedules at EDV, that you not only get the schedule number, you also get the schedule name. We take that again and set that up as part of our transition to the EDV product from EDM. You pull up a schedule, much like you would pull up a schedule in EDM. You can drill down on any and all products. I'm going to go ahead and drill down on one of these schedules. Once you've selected your schedule, I just wanted to quickly point out that you have some functionality on every schedule, journal, document that you drill down on. The ability to zoom in, zoom out, call up other PDF functionality. You have the ability to print, send the file, save it, export it in any format. You also have the ability to find within each and every document. For example, if you wanted to find state, it'll take you to every one, so it's very easy to find information in these documents. One last thing to cover before I end the quick tutorial is I wanted to point out that you can search all of these documents a little differently depending on what document you're searching for. So for example, if I'm looking at payroll checks, I can choose from a particular date to another date. I can look by employee number, a partial name, a check number, and similarly for parts tickets, repair orders, you'll have different parameters you can search from, and you don't have to have the exact customer name. You can search on a partial. In my case, you could search on ELCH and it would pull up Welch as well. So that's it. Again, a brief introduction to the document retrieval piece as well as the user security piece of EDV. I invite you to visit us at www.mydpsdata.com or contact us via email at dpssales@mydpsdata.com or simply call us at 678-564-5600. I appreciate you taking the time out today to watch this quick tutorial. Remember, you have a choice.